Hello students, let us continue exercise 10a percentage. Question number 6. Convert each of the following decimals into a percentage. Number first part 0.6. Question number 6. 0.6 change into in percentage. Now 0.6 multiply 100%. 6 multiply 100 we get 600. Take one decimal place. Percent. That is 60%. This is your answer. Now second 0.42 change in percentage, write as 0.42 multiply 100%. Now 42 multiply 100 we get 4200. Take two decimal place, percent equal to 42%. This is your answer. Now second method of this question. .42 write as 42 upon 100. Remove decimal place, so we write 42 upon 100. 42 upon 100 write as 42%. Percent mean 1 upon 100. Percent mean 1 upon 100. This is your first method and this is your second method. Now next, third part, 0.07. Similarly, remove decimal place, write as 7 upon 100. 7 upon 100 means 7%. This is your answer. Now, fourth part, 0.005 equal to 5 upon 1000. Remove decimal place, so we write 5 upon 1000. Multiply 100%. 20 cancel, we write 5 upon 10% as 0.5%. Now question number 7. 32% of 425. 32% of 425 is equal to 32 upon 100 of mean multiply 425. 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 0. 5 8 ja 40, 5 5 ja 25. 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5, 8 minus 5 3, 3 5 35, 5 7 ja 35. 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32. 17 8 ja 136. This is your answer. Now second part. 16 2 upon 3% of 16. 16 3 ja 48 plus 2 50 upon 3% of 16. Write as 50 upon 3. Remove percent, write as 1 upon 100. Of mean multiply, write as 16. 50 1 ja 50, 50 2 ja 100, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. 8 upon 3. Write as 2 and 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Now third part, 6.5% of 400. Write as 65 upon 10. Remove decimal place, so we write in denominator as 10. That is 65 upon 10. Now remove percent, write as 1 upon 100. Percent means 1 upon 100 of 400. 20 cancel. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. 13 2 ja 26. 13 2 ja 26. This is your answer. Now fifth part, 2.8% of 35. Write as 28 upon 10. Remove decimal place, so we write 28 upon 10. Percent, remove percent, 1 upon 100. Percent means 1 upon 100 of mean multiply 35. 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 0, 5 7 ja 35. 4 5 ja 20, 4 7 ja 28. 7 7 ja 49 upon 10 5 ja 50. This is your answer. Question number 8. First part, 25% of rupees 76. Now we write rupees 25%, write as 25 upon 100 of mean multiply 76. 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, 4 1 ja 4, 4 19 ja 76. Rupees 19. This is your answer. Now next, second part, 20% of 132 rupees 132. Now rupees 20%, write as 20 upon 100 of mean multiply 132. 25 1 ja 25, sorry 21 ja 20, 25 ja 100. Now rupees 132 upon 5. Write as rupees 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 6 ja 30. Take point, 5 4 ja 20. That is 26.40. This is your answer. Now next, 7.5% of 600 meter. 7.5% of 600 meter. Write as 75 upon 10. Remove decimal place, so we write 75 upon 10. Remove percent, percent means 1 upon 100. So we write 1 upon 100 of mean multiply 600 meter. 20 cancel. 5 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. 15 multiply 3, 15 3 ja 45 meter. This is your answer. Now next, fourth part, 3 and 1 upon 3% of 90 kilometer. Write as 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10, 10 upon 3% of 90 kilometer. Now 10 upon 3, remove percent, write as 1 upon 100. Percent means 1 upon 100. Multiply 90 kilometer. 0 0 cancel. 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. We get 3 1 जा 3 kilometer. This is your answer. Now next, 8.5 write as 85 upon 10. Multiply. Remove percent, write as 1 upon 100. Of mean multiply 5 kilogram. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. 5 1 जा 5, 5 7 जा 35. 5 2 जा 10, 5 0 0. We get 17 upon 40 kilogram. Now again write 17 upon 40 multiply 1000 gram. 1 kilogram mean 1000 gram. 1 kilogram mean 1000 gram. So we multiply 1000 gram. 0 0 cancel. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 0 0. 17 2 ja 34. 0 340 gram. This is your answer. Now next, 20% of 12 liter equal to 20 multiply, remove percent, write as 1 upon 100. Percent mean 1 upon 100 multiply 12 liter. 20 1 ja 20, 25 ja 100. 12 upon 5 liter. Now write 12 upon 5 multiply 1000 milliliter. Milliliter. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 0. 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 0, 5 0 0. 12 2 ja 24, 100. 2400 milliliter. This is your answer. Also write as 2 liter 400 milliliter. Now do exercise 10A in your fair notebook. Thank you.